Hey, it's Heather Michet with another sustainable living tip for you. And this will help you take one more thing off of your shopping list. It will help you get to zero waste, not take up space in your garbage bin, and will help the environment and the planet. And that is getting reusable, washable furnace filters. This is a disposable one that I found in someone's trash, and you can check with your local hardware place to see if they have your size of washable filters. Thanks for watching, thanks for helping, and living sustainably.